Hi, it's Miss Chalone and I'm here for another recorder tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play Marinero que se fue from Mexico and other South American countries. Okay, very repetitive, so it's not too bad. We're going to start with low D. D, D, G, G, D, D, G. Do that again. D, D, G, G, D, D, G. Let's play that. Ready? Here we go. And again. One more time. So that second phrase, A, A, B, 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 B. Again, that second phrase, A, A, B, 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 B. Let's go ahead and put that together with the first phrase. I'm sure you can do that. 1, 2, here we go. And again. One more time. Ready, here we go. Third phrase, B, B, A, 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 B. Third phrase again, B, B, A, 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 B. B, B, A, 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 B. Ready? Third phrase. For third phrase. Okay, put it together with the first part. 1, 2, here we go. Ready again. Okay, last part. A, A, G, 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 G. Simple enough. A, A, G, 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 G. Let's put it all together and we do it twice through for the song. 1, actually it might be 3 times through. 1, 2, here we go. Now this is a fun song to speed up because, let's be honest, that's how they play it. So we're going to try it a little faster. 1, 2, here we go. And even faster. 1, 2, here we go. Make sure you're using your tongue, just the very tip of it. Very gently. Ready? Here we go. All right, that is Marinero que se fue. Make sure you go and practice. Happy practicing. If you know this song, it's great. It's a little hand clap game. Marinero que se fue, marinero que se fue, so that's a little hand clap game that goes together. You can look that up also on YouTube. Maybe I'll link it in the description here.